In this video, I'm going to talk about Cisco wireless network building blocks. A successful Cisco wireless network design can involve access points, wireless LAN controllers, and a platform to manage them all. Okay, in this video, we will learn about the Cisco hardware you can use as building blocks. First, let me to explain about the Cisco wireless LAN controllers. Cisco WLCs are available in many platforms, differing mainly in the form factor and the number of managed lightweight access points. The WLC platforms are listed in this table, arranged in ascending order by the maximum number of laps supported. Use this table to become familiar with the entire spectrum of Cisco wireless LAN controllers, not to memorize their specifications. Be aware of the relative AP capacity and architecture based on the model. Generally, the number of supported laps rise as the model number increases. Products that support a low number of lightweight access points are usually meant for a small campus site, while products that support 1,000 or 6,000 laps are flagship models that are meant for very large enterprises. Let me to review this table. For example, as you can see, we have Catalyst 3650 switch, and the architecture that we can use it is the converged architecture that I mentioned in the previous video, or WCM. And as you can see, AP supported number is 25 per switch stack, and client supported is 1,000. Okay, about the Catalyst 3850 switch, again we can use it in converged architecture, and it can support up to 50 AP or access point and 2,000 client. And about the Catalyst 4500 series, this series, again the architecture is converged architecture, and 50 AP is maximum AP that we can support, and client supported is 2,000. Also, here you can see one appliance. This is the Cisco 2504 wireless LAN controller, and as you can see, it can be used in the centralized architecture, that we call it wireless LAN controller, and it can support up to 75 AP and 1,000 clients. Here we can use the virtual wireless LAN controller. Actually, the virtual wireless LAN controller, or VWLC, is an interesting product because it consists of software only, running under a VMware hypervisor. You might use it in a small enterprise or in a lab scenario. Because of its virtual nature, VWLC can coexist with other Cisco wireless management software on a single VMware platform. The wireless LAN controller cannot support any APs in local mode. All APs must be configured for Flex Connect instead. Here you can see that it can be used in the centralized architecture or wireless LAN controller, up to 200 AP supported, and up to 6,000 client it can support. Also, here we have two other appliances, Cisco 5520 wireless LAN controller and Cisco 5760 wireless LAN controller. About the 5520, it can be used in centralized mode or topology, and after that it can support up to 1,500 AP and 20,000 client. About the 5760 appliance, it can be used in the centralized mode, and also it can support up to 1,000 AP and 12,000 of a client can be supported. Alright, many wireless LAN controllers are a standalone appliance, while others are integrated in Catalyst switch chassis. The wireless, as you can see here, we have WISM2. This is the wireless service module 2, is unique because it can be integrated into an existing Catalyst 6500 switch. Up to 7 WISM2 modules can live in a single switch chassis. As you can see, it can be used in the centralized topology, up to 1,000 AP supported, and up to 15,000 client supported. The next model is the Cisco 8510 and Cisco 8540 wireless LAN controller. As you can see, 8510 can support up to 6,000 AP and up to 64,000 client, okay, and 8540 also can support up to 6,000 AP and 64,000 client. Don't worry about the detail of this, because here we have some other specification that beyond are of this class. Be aware that you